We are back, man. CPI comes out. You got mixed data on the CPI. Looks like it came in hot on the monthly data, but the other data was slightly under expectation. So not really sure how that's gonna affect price action. You saw the wick higher, but now you're seeing price trade immediately lower, but still inside of that candle range. So maybe that's still bullish. We'll see. When I look at these charts, I see the weekly open, I see price above the weekly open on both charts. Let's see the Russell. Russell fighting to get above that weekly open, still below it. So we'll see, man. Any more news today? No. Trump meets with Iraq at 11:15.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna turn off the cards completely before that. Dude, I am not
Yeah.
trying to trade with that guy talking, bro.
Yeah, that guy's weird, bro. He knows he has too much power, bro. Like, stop talking, bro. Shut up. But I'm sure he's making money every time he does stuff like that. So he doesn't care.
Yeah. Hell yeah, you don't think these guys are trading? Like, hey man, I'm gonna buy some pussy here going into the talk. Gonna skyrocket.
We do got some hidden SMT, breaker structure, bearish gap. Actually, yeah, I like that. I love that CPI rejection. I love that we have lots of bearish, bro. This is the same order block from yesterday that's holding up. Weekly open, slamming price lower. Yeah, bro, I don't know. If 10 a.m.
I'll be
gives
back.
us at all right. Yeah, if 10 a.m. can give some sort of bearish protocol, I'm taking the short. Looking pretty solid. Got this area here. Did we tap into it? No. And we have these order blocks here. Got some order blocks here that price seems to be respecting, but honestly, this 10 a.m. price catches my attention. See if there's like a 30-minute order block sitting in here. Yeah, there is. I'll take that 30-minute OB right here and just highlight that across. This is looking bearish if you ask me, guys. Let's look at the weekly profile. You have a few things going on. Monday, right here. Monday opens, pushes higher, slaps into that weekly open, fails, breaks structure, right? And now you have Tuesday pushing back into that break of structure. This is a good spot for a reversal to continue lower. So we'll see how price responds. We also have this previous daily low. Seems to be holding right now, right? And you have SMT off of this midnight price. You can see that ES is hitting that midnight price, right? And then you have NASDAQ failing to hit that midnight price. Well, nowhere near it, right? So that could be a clean pivot. We'll see how this 4-hour candle closes. That's what I'm gonna set my bias based on. How does this 4-hour candle close? Right, because you do have a divergence off of that previous 4-hour low. So if this can hold, for example, ES takes that low, NASDAQ failed to take that low. All right, if that can hold and we get a nice strong closure above this 6 a.m. price right here, then I'll probably consider taking this, taking a buy if it were to give you something like this, a pullback continuation. right? But if price shows you it can't really close through this 6 a.m. and on this in this 4 hour candle, then you have a bearish candle here. You have a break of structure, so that'll be something that I would want to take lower. Boom. ES. Yeah, same with ES, right? You see how price is rejecting this 6 a.m. price, rejecting this weekly open. If this continues to reject, I'm gonna look at this as a did we sweep this high? No, we swept this high. It's tough. It's tough because it's looking more bullish based on this SMT. You guys know me. I love SMT with my Confluence. And it looks like we swept out all the highs except for this Sunday high. And that's the same for NASDAQ right now. If you pay attention, you'll see. NASDAQ swept out all the internal highs as well except for this Sunday high. Same with ES. Sunday highs right here. Buddy, give me that remote. Because if I turn this down again, I'm just turn it off. So give me the remote. Thank you. So yeah, looking at this high here, I would have loved for this high to get swept, would give you a divergence there. But then you got to look at the Russell, because the Russell could give you that SMT that you're looking for off the highs. And sure enough, it does. Look at this. Sunday high blasted. We're all the way up past these highs up here. So yeah, if if this level up here holds, I'm gonna play the short. Just depends on how this candle closes. I love that area right there. I'll put NASDAQ on my main view here. Let's see which one's actually weaker before I do that. Yeah, NASDAQ is weaker. So yeah, I'll be looking to short NASDAQ. Boom, 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 boom. All right, I can erase some of this. Erase a lot of this actually. All right, cool. And then I want to pay attention to these session levels here from overnight. And that's it. 30-minute chart. What are we sweeping out? All right, we've swept out London high, Asia high. London low get swept. Let's see. Nope, London low still intact. All right, yeah, so cool. We have this previous daily high up nearby, previous weekly open. Yeah, we're chilling. All the overnight highs have been swept. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. here and see if Obi has anything he wants to trade. But I will be standing by here. Waiting for this 4-hour candle to close. In the meantime, let's see who's online. Boom, we got Young Ben, we got Young Tanya. I'll just pull up those two for now.
6, 7. Are we live? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit. No. Patiently waiting, man. Weekly open 90. So this got swept, so we can. Nvidia dumping, Apple stagnant. Rock. You there?
Yeah.
Said what is it called? This is pretty garbage opening, bro.
Let me see. I'm not even looking. I'm waiting for 10 a.m. But
Yeah.
yeah, it's sitting inside of this data candle, CPI candle. I don't know what it's waiting for yet. I have no idea, bro. No clue what it's waiting for.
Mm-hmm.
No clue what it's waiting for.
I'd like to see price move higher, but I have no idea what price wants to do right now. Just chopping, accumulating. Oh, I was gonna do this. Yeah. Boom. 9:30 opens. Boom. Boom. First presented right here. Today is what? Tuesday. Six nine seven five 6975. Boom. We got red news at 10 o'clock. Okay. We got no bias going into here at 10, guys. We're just gonna wait and see how price prints. Oh, this guy's testifying at 10. Bro. Bruh. Let's look at this 4-hour close. Hmm. All right, boys, 10 a.m. is here. Let's see if we can get something, man. Give us something to work with. Yeah, bro. And NY is cooked. Been like this for a minute now. Overlapping with each other. First percent, boom, 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 boom.
All right, here we go, man. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so yeah, rejecting nicely. We got a nice 4-hour close on that candle. So all I'm gonna be looking for is reasons to short here. Boom, boom, boom. I don't see any strong displacements off of these lows at all on the higher time frame. We got a nice push higher, but we're still rejecting these bearish order blocks. So I don't really think the buys are showing much strength just yet. All right, so how did this candle close? It opened at 6 a.m. and it closed right here at 10 a.m. Yeah, it's already showing some nice rejection off of these order blocks. I hate these because these try to run on you and then it's like, dang.
I know, bro. That's the thing that's annoying.
Where is that most recent order block? I want to say this one right here at yeah, this order block right here. This last attempt to go higher, 925, 930, failed to go through. You don't see any power of 3 manipulation though. That's the one reason why I don't like the short right now. If we would have opened higher, swept out maybe one of these highs at 10 a.m., that would have been absolutely phenomenal. But the power of 3 would tell you that something's up here. Unless we open low close, I gotta chill because 9:30 didn't Judas, 10 a.m. didn't Judas higher either. So it looks like this sweep is lower right now.
Yep. No
Yeah.
SMT either.
Yeah, nothing, literally, except for at the lows. So that's kind of giving you that, all right, maybe I should look for longs.
Like, if we had some SMT, some Judas swing at open, and then 10 a.m., yeah, like, I'll be in these. But there's literally no reason to short this right now.
All right, 4-hour candle. All right, so if we're bullish, then what? Okay, yeah, we did have a bullish SMT at this low. All right, yeah. So we did have bullish SMT at the lows here, so I'll mark that off. So that previous 4-hour low is swept on ES. It is not swept on NASDAQ. So when I look down into here, where's that bullish order block that held price up? It's right here. Yes, sir. Beautiful. This 705 order block. Beautiful. Let's see if we can retest it. It's pushing back in that area. There's also probably a 30-minute order block. Yeah, there's a 30-minute OB sitting down in here as well, being tapped into right now. So I'm gonna watch that. I'm gonna watch that 5-minute at the most extreme. Then you got this 30-minute here. This 30-minute order block holds here. I'm gonna look to long the ES.
Yeah, definitely. Just remind each other we're shorting Nasdaq and longing ES today.
Oh yeah, it's simple as that.
So we got SMT here also with NQ.
Yep, NQ sweeping the lows, tapping into that 30-minute order block. You got the 5-minute change of the state sitting in here as well. 15-minute order block. There's a lot of clean structure sitting in there. And then now all you would want to see is a clean flip back above 10 a.m.
Yeah.
And then bang.
I would even front run that if we start getting the spice to the upside, you know what I mean?
Yeah. You do have ES above that 2 a.m. price, and you have Nasdaq still above that 2 a.m. price from yesterday as well. Let's see, man. I love this open low here. You got the data lows being swept here on Nasdaq, CPI lows, SMT. Yeah, not bad. Really, yeah. The first clean market structure shift off of this level down here, I'm gonna take longs.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm not completely sold on the shorts yet, man. I need to see.
Oh yeah, I'm not even shorts. I can't even short this if I wanted to. There's no power 3. So that really just focuses my brain on the longs only. I would need to see price just rip. Even if it did rip through all of this and push all the way down here, I feel like it would be too late to short it at that point anyway. So yeah, I'm not even bearish. I mean, let me put my bias up here. I'm not even bearish. Power of 3.
Well, you can't be because like I'm looking at the higher time frame. It's disgusting, but
yeah, I'm loving this break a structure higher. Like I said, on the 4-hour, you did get that SMT off the lows, and you also have price giving you that SMT dive deeper into here. The Russell, let's take a look. Russell looks exactly like the others for once, so that's good. YM, our long lost cousin, what are you up to? YM is extremely bullish. Excuse me. Yeah, YM is. Excuse me. YM is approaching those data highs, pushing all the way up to the highs, breaking that weekly open, while the others are completely weak. Yeah, you can see YM, guys, right? YM is pushing back towards that 830 high, leaving equal highs up near that level, trading comfortably at this weekly open. And then you got 10 a.m. opening higher over here. Nice. What do you say? Is a Judas swing? Well, let me read through all of these. It said red news at 10. I'm not trading New York. Made money off the shorts after CPI. Those candles are disgusting. Script got leaked apparently on his speech. Is Judas swing really tradable? I back tested Judas. It really wasn't convinced. Maybe misunderstood something. So yeah, bro. You don't really trade the Judas. You use the Judas as context, right? So if you see the market giving you hard moves in one direction at 9:30 and then leaving a massive wick, failing, and then you wait for 10 a.m. to retest that Judas setup, right? If that gives you enough confluence to get in, it's basically like a break and retest type of deal. Like the Judas gives you the profile, you wait for 10 a.m. power of 3 to drive into that area. Like I think yesterday gave a good Judas. Let me go look. I can't remember. No, there's no 9:30 Judas here. Or was it? Yeah. So yeah, 9:30. Yeah, this is considered a Judas, right? Because if you look at ES gives it to you beautifully. ES gives you. Let's go back to it. At the highs, right? You see what happens at 9:30. 9:30 power of 3. You got to think the logic of the first move is usually the fake move, and usually it happens at 9:30 or 10 a.m. after 10 a.m. open, right? So where's your fake move? Here's your fake move. It's called a Judas. It pushes higher, sweeps out these highs, and then starts to fail, right? This is a beautiful sign that price is not really trying to go higher. And then you see this green line here. This is the weekly open. So that's another confluence in your brain. You're like, all right, if price wants to pivot and fail to break this weekly, this is a beautiful Judas. Price pushes at 9:30, accumulates. What does 10 a.m. do? 10 a.m. opens literally right at that green line and shows you that it does not want to break it. This is your short. You may not catch the best entry because these candles are massively bearish, but look at how the shorts play out off of that Judas. And 10 a.m. literally opens right here at the Judas, retesting the Judas right here. This is your 10 a.m. open. This is your 9:30 Judas. Like I said, this is a little more complex because these bearish candles are massive. So maybe you get in on like a break and retest where price taps into here, breaks this low or something. You know, you got to be creative with your entries nowadays because the textbook entry models have not been like consistent. But you see a nice break of this low, maybe you just put an entry in this fair value gap or something, or at this change in the state, put your stops above that weekly open, those swing highs up there, and you just target something down below, right? But that's how the Judas can be factored into your trade. You don't actually want to trade the Judas because sometimes that Judas may be bigger than you expected. Like, right, this candle was only one candle Judas, right? You see this 9:30 and then it just starts to fail. But sometimes that Judas swing could be way up here, a couple candles, and then 10 a.m. opens and then you start to see that reversal, right? And here we are today, right? So you look at today's price action, it's going to be the same concept. Where's your Judas? If you don't get a Judas, it's probably best to just not trade because if you don't see the Judas, then it's probably going to catch you while you're in the trade. But concept is very simple. 9:30, you see this push lower? That's a nice push lower. I don't really consider it a Judas because you don't see that divergence. A divergence is everything here. These look pretty. Oh, I'm looking at the same chart. That's why. Hold on. I was looking at NASDAQ next to. I'm sorry, ES next to ES. All right, so yeah, 9:30 opens lower, right? What do we know about a Judas? The Judas is supposed to be the fake move. So if we're opening lower here, you would expect a strong move higher if price is truly bullish. You would want to see a strong move lower and then a even stronger move higher to confirm the fake out lower. But here you get a move lower and then the move higher is weak. You actually do get SMT off of this. Hold on. You get SMT off of here. NASDAQ doesn't take that high. All right, so you get that Judas back from this 2 a.m. price. Price pushes up SMT off the high. Uh-oh. SMT's off of this high. 10 a.m. opens inside of this area and completely breaks structure. Uh-oh. Are we going to take these lows? It looks like we are, bro. Hold on. Let me draw this up because I didn't even notice that. You got a fake move lower followed by a fake move higher. This could be your Judas here with the SMT, and you're looking for 10 a.m. to confirm it. 10 a.m. actually does push into this area and fail miserably. So that's a clean Judas right there. You got a clean market structure shift. Oh my goodness, you could have been short off of this break right here. See this change in the state right here. Closes underneath it, retest, dumps off of it. Maybe you short it here a little bit late. Short the NASDAQ, target that previous daily low. All right. You see NASDAQ, they're hitting that 2 a.m. price. They're tapping into these bullish areas. But that's a clean concept of the Judas. Wait for some sort of fake out, retest of 10 a.m. and then 10 a.m. to hold it and then break structure. That's not bad. That's not bad, bro. Boom, Judas higher, SMT. And did we have? Yeah, we did have SMT on that 4 hour with the Russell giving you this 5-minute order block sitting right here. Tap into the order block. Oh yeah, that's clean. All right, yeah, let's see. I might play this short here. Let me flip over to NASDAQ. Looking for that pre-market low or those London lows, maybe even midnight. Elijah, sit down. Get down. Get down. Man,
8 a.m. low swept.
this is tough, bro, because I hate getting in the party late, bro. That's the catch with these trades. So how do you want to play this? You want to see if 10 a.m. is going to open lower here. You want to see some sort of retest of, let me see, do we have a, yeah, we got EMA support for lower. You know this area is going to give you a bounce, right? So I'm not really too impressed by this bullish move. We've seen this area hold a couple times, once, twice. This will be the third time it's tapped into. But how are these order blocks going to respond here?
Yeah, that's the question, right? Like, how's it going to respond?
Man, this is so stupid. Because if it wanted to pivot here, I get it. You got SMT off of the data low. You got these 30-minute bullish order blocks sitting down in here. What else is in this area? This 10 a.m. price right here is nice. Oh, yeah. Yesterday's 10 a.m. price is still a factor. It's crazy. Look at it. It was beautiful resistance all overnight We break it, retest it a couple times. Now we're retesting it again.
Yeah, short's starting to look kind
Let's see.
of good.
The catch is 10 a.m., bro. If we can be patient and price break above 10 a.m., I'm longing it because the shorts have done their job, essentially. The shorts are giving you this move lower, the shorts sweep the lows, the shorts
Yeah.
retested everything that was bullish, and you get a nice, strong reaction out of it. But if we fail again here, I'm definitely shorting this.
Yeah, because we left these equal lows. I don't know if you see on my screen, but we have
Yeah,
these
there's a
equal
ton of
lows
them.
right here.
Yeah,
We
there's a
left
ton
them,
of them.
bro. So like, give me in on this if you're gonna short. I'll try shorts, but like,
Yeah, it just has to fail again here.
it
Let's
has
see
to
if it.
exactly.
If not, if we can start flipping this. It's tough. I think it's shorts, bro. I think it's shorts, man.
I hate when I'm like that. Like, I'm not sure. Like, I'm not like that typically. And that just tells you this market condition is low probability. When you're doubting the higher time frame narrative, you know. But yeah, I'd rather see shorts.
That 4 hour close was pretty interesting.
Because it's not really bullish, but it's not bearish either.
Yeah, it gave you double standard there. Cause like technically, bro, this 10 a.m. open should be enough for me to short this right now. Let's see, maybe the next 1 minute inversion I'll try. Just something to invalidate these bullish moves higher. Because the short pressure is already, we SMT, right? We have this CPI data. We drive very strongly into this higher time frame order block. And then price just comes crumbling down.
Yeah. Want to see if 10 a.m. can hold or not.
Yeah, ES is giving you at least a solid drive higher here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just play it simple, bro. If this level holds, we get this SMT, give me an inversion, I'll short it. It's just that simple. And that'll be my only trade. Go break even at those relative equal lows, target midnight price. Simple. Where's Lumi at? Hold on. Where's Lumi talking about? Lumi got the secret handbook somewhere. Did she short that? Oh, she was drawing up shorts down into
Yeah, everyone's shorting this now.
She took a short, got stop break even, and now she's just chilling. All right, cool. Who else do you watch, bro? I got Ben up, Tanya's up, Tyler. Let's see what Tyler's doing. He's chilling. Everybody's chilling. But yeah, I'm looking at this for my trade here. It's rejecting beautifully right now. Let's see if this gap flips or what. And I don't really care for the gap. I want to see that whole candle get closed through, and then I'll short it. 100-point stop, which is pathetic.
Yeah, I'm like definitely recommend you guys to de-risk significantly, guys, here.
And then if we're looking for buys, right, like I said, it's gonna be based on that 10 a.m. open.
Yeah.
Maybe even a 1 minute flip here.
Like, this is the bearish scenario here, guys. I'm gonna mark it out on the chart. And then here's the bullish scenario. Boom, sweep, come here, respect, and then buy. This is the
there goes those manipulation wicks.
Oh,
there we go.
Yep,
there we go. Good job.
She just
Tanya's
got
in the
stopped out.
short. Who else in the short?
All right, now we're gonna look for shorts because they all just got stopped out. That's exactly what I wanted to see.
Look how
All right, guys.
evil this is, bro. The most ridiculous spike followed by a bearish
Yeah.
candle. Like, why are you doing all of that?
Yeah.
But ES is retesting 9:30 open.
This is
And
perfect.
the 10 a.m. open just got wicked into as well. Let's see if this can fail here. And what's the power of three, right? The power of three narrative would be 10 a.m. did open slightly higher, fails, breaks structure. And then you got to be careful because what happens if the shorts only wanted to retest this level, which has been retested a few times, right?
Yeah.
So that's where you wait for price to try to go higher off of this level and then fail. So here we go.
Here we go, guys.
Here we go. Beautiful wicks off of that.
Yeah.
Now this gap has to flip. Let's see if it holds.
Yeah. Beautiful wick off of it. They all just got stopped out. First presented tab. What's it called? How would your sizing look like on this? Let's see. You're looking at 100 handles. Stop. Holy shit. What's 100 times? What's your TP? This is a horrible RR actually.
Well, let me see what you're drawing up.
Something like this. This is a horrible RR. You gotta cover that wick high. Your stop has to be like.
You gotta target if we're bearish, bro. Target those that midnight price. Those equal lows are just the top of the playing field. That midnight price is untapped, wide open.
Yeah.
That would be my draw if I were to maybe go break even at that relative equal lows, but the draw I think would be midnight or previous daily low, or that 4 hour Monday low. But I don't know if this gap is gonna flip, bro. It's too many wicks. You keep wicking in it, and then you got wicks at the highs, wicks at the lows, in the gap.
We are patiently waiting, guys.
Let me start drawing up a bullish idea, bro. Let's just start.
Yeah, the bullish idea is simply just a flip of those gaps, and then you buy.
Facts, yeah. I'm looking for a 2-minute swing point. Yeah, it would literally, the only swing would be that 10 a.m. Yeah. Because we still have SMT, right? At the low? Yeah. I think so. Yeah.
We're definitely buying ES today, bro. I'm not gonna buy it.
Yeah. Buy the stronger one, short the weaker one.
And then how's the sizing gonna work on this? Let's go ahead and do this. MES. Actually, no, I know, man. I'm good.
This type of stuff makes me want to not trade though. Like, how does it do this, bro? Like, it'll sit in between two key areas, a bullish area and a bearish area, and it'll just sit there, and then out of nowhere you're gonna get a massive candle in either direction, and then it's over.
I'm telling you, man, this is the most sophisticated markets in the world. I don't know how the hell they know, like, we're all looking at the breakout here. And what's crazier is how it's stagnant. Right at 10:30, right when it's supposed to reverse. It's like we know right now, bro. The time is aligning with price right now. So we've been bearish the whole day. If we do get a bullish setup, I would definitely try it because time is aligning with it.
You got did YM take that high yet? Nope.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, YM did take that data high. 10 a.m. opened higher on YM, still failing to go lower. Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's tough. This is tough.
I'm thinking it's about to go higher, bro. Just based on the LR built up on this move down. The retest of 2 a.m. seems to be a beautiful pivot for price lately. Yeah, bro. Yeah. I'm watching
In this market
ES here.
condition, we have to be very picky with what setups we want, you know?
Or just don't care and just take one and done and call it a day. I hate
Yeah.
overthinking trading, bro, because for one, I don't have to be doing this and nobody's forcing me to trade. So if I'm smart enough to understand whatever your logic is, it could be order flow, it could be ICT, it could be smart money concept, whatever it is. If you're smart enough to understand it, trust it, take your one trade and get off the charts, win or lose, bro. Like I hate overthinking stuff.
And here it is, bro.
Yeah, I'm
Here
about
is
to
R1. I'm about to long this puppy.
Yeah, bro, a strong close here, and I am as bullish as can be with a stop underneath. It's gonna be a fat stop, but we should get a nice push. Yeah, I'm looking at something like this.
Yeah. 12 times 5. I need to make sure I have my stop.
Dang, Tanya went short again, bro. What's wrong with her?
13.
Nice strong close up here.
13 times 5 times 5. $300. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, that's your most recent low here. That fair value gap is really the only thing I'm using as a pivot. So my stop will be underneath that 2 a.m. price, about 20 points. Well, I'll go 21. Can't hurt. Looking for a strong close here. About 7 seconds left.
I'm going 5
micro.
5 micros, yeah.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
I'm get ready here.
Do we have a 1 minute gap being formed? Come on, give it. Oh my goodness, I told you what was about to happen.
Fucking shit.
It does this. Okay, I'm in. Hold on. Oh no, it just glitched back up. Why does it do this, bro? Did he say something? He said something. Trump something.
I'm so tired of this, bro. I'm so tired. I was really just about to get ready to long this.
I'm finna long it right now, bro. Why not? Go. I'm in. I'm in. Come on. And it won't fill right now. Hold on. Fill me in, bro.
What the fuck, man?
It won't fill right now. I don't know.
God, hell no, I'm not.
But if you, yeah, I'm in.
Wick.
I'm in, bro. I don't care, bro. What else you gonna do? Short it? It hasn't taken the high yet. I'm in that, bro. It's my one and done for the day. Like I said, if you trust your concept, this is a buy.
That's some bullshit. I was like, I'm about to buy this thing. What the fuck?
At least it didn't take the high, so at least you weren't in the short also, because Tanya was in the short. Yep, that's it right there. I'm long above 10 a.m., stops below 2 a.m., and watch how I walk away and not care. And that's the only way I can trade, bro. Because if I sit here and overthink every day, I don't deserve to be a trader, bro. Just give it up. Go find something else to do. Because you've done all your studying. You've done all your back testing. You've traded long enough to understand what you like, what you don't like. So just give your setup a chance, bro. It's just, sometimes I get it, because sometimes the market is indecisive, and those are the days where you don't want to put your money on it. That's a good idea. But when the setup is, we draw it up ahead of time, we've drawn up our bias, we've seen exactly what we wanted to see, man, just put the trade on and walk away, bro. Can't be afraid of it. So that's my play.
I think that's wonderful.
Yeah, I don't know what's about to happen, guys. Maybe we get a giant blast off candle here. Maybe not. But I can tell you this. YM took out that data high twice and it's still looking bullish. Russell gives you a hold off of that 2 a.m. level, which was a beautiful pivot for price. And ES gives you the opening range break, meaning we've broken that 930, we've broken that 10 a.m. range. So let's see. If this hits TP, I won't even be surprised. I'll be more surprised if it doesn't hit TP. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this pullback. I'm gonna get in with you, but I hope it just runs. So
Let's see. Yeah, you do got some 1 minute gaps in here, bro. Yeah, it could easily pull
just
back into some of these gaps. You got
yeah,
10 a.m. gap sitting right here. You got another gap sitting right there. So yeah, it could definitely pull back. Put some orders in these gaps even, but we'll see. I'm gonna make
nah.
some breakfast, man. And like I said, this will be my style of trading because I don't. I've seen enough to understand that you can't overthink these charts, bro. You can't be afraid either. The model is what the model is. 2 minute chart, nice close. Yeah, I'm just happy it gave me an entry because I would have been mad if it would have taken this high without me.
Data highs, boys. We're gonna target data highs.
Yeah, let me make sure I'm good. All right, yeah, I'm good. Stream good. You guys can see the entry, right? Let me zoom in a little bit. Clean break of structure. Like I said, thankfully we weren't in a short. That's really the
Ooh.
that's really the big accomplishment so far. Good job not being in a short. Swing low, do this low right here. Does it take any of the lows? I don't know. We'll see. I'm zoomed in enough for the stream. All right. I'll set some alerts at these data highs. I think it blasts through it all because it's faking like it's bearish, has no reason to be bullish, and those seem like the days where you get those random pops higher. It's all a scam, bro. CPI.
Come on, bro. Just pull back.
Just think about it, bro. CPI came in bad. Why would there even be any of this right now? It should be pure selling pressure. It's almost like the other day. Were you on stream? Oh, I think you weren't. It was when Trump got on there and made that announcement where price just dumped and everybody was like, what just happened? He had that Trump news candle with a bunch of war news. Immediately following that war news, bro, the market goes bullish for the rest of the day. I'm like, see, bro, it makes no sense, bro. What was the point of that massive dump candle if it was never gonna just go lower?
Exactly, bro. It's just all a fucking scam, bro.
It's all a
Everything's
scam,
a
bro.
scam.
All it wants you to do is just try to buy into the narrative, the fake narrative. Oh, CPI is bad today. Let me short, and then look, it's gonna pump for the rest of the day. Like, get out of here, bro.
But I have to buy it up here. This thing's not pulling back. Let me go. Yeah, bro. Looks like I'm gonna miss this entry.
Oh wait, I forgot to talk about the options place. If you are in the SPY calls, it would be, I would say, SPY calls anywhere from where is it at? It's kind of late, but clearly we're bullish on this. The entry would have been okay. Yeah, SPY calls around. See, I hate SPY. I don't really like SPY calls. I would say take the QQQ, man. Even though it's weaker. Actually, nah, just no options play. No options play. Because the game is pretty simple. You just want to stick with the QQQ or the IWM options because SPY's a little tricky. Like, for example, if I wanted to buy this when I bought it, you would have to buy the... Well, I guess, no, that's not terrible. You could buy the 752. I'll take that back. 752. Because I was thinking maybe you would have to buy the 751 call, which would have been way down here. You would have had, these are probably expensive, the 751 in the money calls. But you can buy the 752 out of the money call right now, actually. 752 out of the money. Oh, well, now you're in the money. Literally just 2 seconds passed by. Now you're in the money. Now you're out of the money again. 752 in the money. I'm sorry, out of the money call. And you're just looking for like a. Wow, we've already tapped that weekly open over here. That's strange, but look at how the options chart looks completely different. We've tapped the weekly open on the options. We've already tapped it on the options. QQQ hasn't tapped it either. Oh, we're above that weekly open on the QQQ. It's so strange, bro. Yeah, the QQQ is stronger than the SPY. And then not the same for ES over here. That's crazy. I don't know.
Suboptimal
It's like
price
the options
action.
charts are a lot different, bro. You got the basic 10 a.m. price and 9:30 price looking good, but the weekly open, we haven't tapped that weekly open on futures, and then over here we've already tapped that. What are you talking about? But yeah, we've already tapped that weekly open on ES options, and now we're retesting this.
Why isn't the Russell matching the
10
same
a.m. price.
buy as ES? That's why I haven't taken this yet. Why isn't the Russell matching it?
Russell failed to break that weekly open.
Oh. Damn, this might. What if this is the short?
I might be able to get these options. Yeah, I might be able to take these options. It's gonna end up because just think about it. What would have to happen to invalidate these buys? Price would have to close through these lows in order for it to be bearish in my eyes. Because this is a beautiful break of structure higher. So if price ends up getting way down here and closing through these lows, there goes your answer. It should be bearish for the rest of the day. If it's not, then you just know price is scamming. It's chopping, right? But if we're bullish, this leg is gonna hold up. If we're bearish, this leg is gonna fail. So you should get your answer here in the next 30 minutes.
If we invert, I'm gonna
whether it's bullish or bearish.
Short this.
And then a move through here is where I'm thinking, all right, short it right away. You could even put an order down here. Price tries to close underneath here, short it, break even at these lows. Right, but it would take a lot of bearish pressure for me to believe that this is truly bearish. Any pullback is just algorithmic for right now. So that's why I'm thinking maybe I can play this 752 call here, get a good price on it. Price starts working its way back up, jump in on the SPY calls. Let me see how much they cost. Let's see how much they cost.
This 15-minute had an ugly wick closure, man. What is this wick closure? Wick closure. The hell? We didn't get a 5-minute. We got a 5-minute inversion. The 1 minute's respecting the PDRA, which is good.
Buy options, calls. 752 is only $100, guys. Yeah. Let's see if price can start showing some speed. We got some bearish gaps, right? So Elijah, what you doing? Yeah, these bearish gaps gotta go. So just wait for those bearish gaps. Because if it doesn't want to go, then it doesn't want to go.
Yeah, if we flip these, you gotta try shorts here.
Bro, you about to get in trouble.
Yeah, let's try this, guys. We're gonna wait. Dude, I want to try this so bad, this short.
Facts. Yeah, I'm watching this. I'm watching this 930 price here because everything else is underneath 930. ES is the only one above right now. So if that fails, then I could see that short starting to pick up steam. Russell rejects 930, rejects the weekly open, rejects 10 a.m. Nice little wick higher. Don't know what that was all about. And then you have the same with YM. YM sweeps with a nice wick, starting to show that weakness underneath 10 a.m. Where's the EMA? Oh, it's tapping that EMA. You will need to see that break too. So yeah, I could see it definitely. Everything else is still underneath 10 a.m. right now. ES was the only one to break it, which is why I got in, right? And then now it's starting to just completely fail underneath it. Yeah, let's see what happens here. It would make sense for it to fail. It's just why would ES show so much strength just to fail? I guess that's trading, huh? It'll do stuff just to get you in. That's hilarious. But I'm watching this because a failure to get back above this 10 a.m., that's going to kill the entire trade idea. And it's definitely struggling here. Definitely struggling. Yeah, that's not good. YM. Yep, flipping 10 a.m., 10 a.m. move higher. 930 Judas higher, sweeps. Yeah. Yeah, it's starting to look weak now, bro. Let's see. I don't mind reversing my position though. I'm not that serious. Especially with everything else showing that weakness. Alright, yeah, hold on. Hovering over the exit button right now. Yeah.
I'm in on these, bro.
Yeah, I was gonna say, get me out of that. Get me out of that. Get me
I
out
got
of
a
the.
shitty ass fill again.
Let me see what price wants to offer here. Give me a strong close underneath this 930 real quick. I'm gonna short this too, bro. Because all it did was just retest and sweep with a massive SMT. Like, come on, bro. Is this really about to do this? Or is this about to try to get you to short? Wait, bro, get out of here. I may be good with that one attempt, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if I'm really bearish. I'd rather see this give you exactly what it gave you. A sweep lower SMT, nice market structure shift. ES is stronger, so of course it flips first. I just need to see something else flip 10 a.m. So I'm a believer. Yeah, I'm gonna chill. Because we can get Russell to flip 10 a.m. Maybe, but right now this is super bearish, bro.
The reason why I'm not taking long is because the Russell and the Dow, they all are super bearish. So I'm just gonna take this. My stop's at 3.8. So
Facts, yeah. Facts, man.
I don't care, bro. I'm just gonna take it. There's my one trade for the right here, 4-5. Boom. Man, I'm immediate in drawdown too, bro. This is some tough ass price action, bro.
It's plenty. Like you can see, bro. Like the one thing I can see here is a legitimate failed attempt to go lower. That's the only
Immediately
thing.
stopped out. Yeah, I got immediately stopped out.
If you just look at from 930 until now, right? What's happening? We've seen no real attempt to go higher. We see multiple
Yeah.
attempts to go lower, and then that failed attempt to go lower here is what makes me look for a buy. But like you said, nothing else is showing that bullishness yet. So maybe it is chop. Maybe
This is
it is.
chop, bro.
Maybe it is gonna drop here in a second. I don't know. Hey, what are you doing? Why? There's nothing in there. Now look at this. It does all of this, but fails to break 930. Let's see, bro. If it gives at least a 5-minute close back above, I'm gonna have to get back in a stupid trade, bro. Bro, this is stupid. Because what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? I'm starting to believe that you're not really going anywhere. It's probably gonna end up right back bearish.
If it stops me out, yeah, just goes back bearish, I have to try it again, bro.
It's about to just irky jerk the life out of people right now.
It's literally irky jerk, exactly, bro.
But this gap, bro, what do you notice? The same gap gets retested on NASDAQ from earlier, and it's holding beautifully at the lows. The same gap off of that 2 a.m. price. I think once NASDAQ gets above 10 a.m., then it's like undeniable. But right now, it's still, the shorts are still in play.
Yeah. Like I said, bro, if 10 a.m. is not breaking, bro. So
Yeah,
there's no reason to be trying to buy this.
Come on, bro. Give us a play here. 5 minutes, 6 minutes. It is still pretty early. It's only 11 o'clock. So if Price wanted to give you the real move here, I understand.
Yeah. I'm gonna wait here, boys, and see.
So how did Russell play this? 10 a.m. open lower on the Russell, bro. Didn't even bother, bro. This is bullish, bro. Get out of my face, bro. Stop being weird. Russell did not bother any highs after 10 a.m. open. 9:30 gives you a sweep of a high, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. What's the SPY doing?
Well, the Russell 10 a.m. opens and it
It
sweeps.
just dumps.
Yeah, it just dumps, and then it does this weird wick, and just goes back.
Yeah, bro. Here we go, bro. I'm long, bro.
Oh,
This is so stupid, bro. Cause it's playing games. All right, you got a 5-minute close here. Longer the game, guys. Booyah! That's my last take. It's the same trade, but this time I'm not stopping myself out. Oh well, if I'm wrong. 752 calls. What price are we at? We got a long way to go for 752. Long way to go for 752 calls. 751 calls, and the money's only 165. Yeah, take the 751 call. You're in the money here. 751 call. And I'm long on the SPY options, and I'm long on the futures. And this is my, literally, like I said, I'm not buying anything else here. Oh well. Stop. I get a better stop this time. I can go a little deeper into the setup here.
are you going on ES?
Yeah, ES long.
How many micros?
5. We're back above 10 a.m. So I'm like, all right, whatever, bro.
Yeah, if we get a nice closure here, I'm gonna buy it too. I'll try. This might be my second trade. I'll go 3.
So lame.
3 times 28.
It's
I gotta
so
size
lame.
down, bro.
So lame, bro. Russell, the reason why I like it again, like I said, man, Russell opens lower, sweeps that 10 a.m., shows life, respects the same area of interest that the others are respecting, this 2-minute gap down here. And yeah. Let's just see what happens, man. Positions. I don't have any positions, bro. It didn't even feel me, bro. Oh,
Yeah, I
that's
literally got
QQQ.
app.
Hold on. That's QQQ. That's why. SPY. All right, there we go. I am filled on the SPY.
I'm sizing down on these, bro, to like,
Facts. Just chill, yeah.
dude,
Yeah,
I'm
we're
just gonna
chilling, bro.
chill.
We are chilling, bro. Like I said, some things are obvious, other things I avoid. These buys just look way too obvious, especially with these failed attempts to go lower. And the data low. Noted, like I said, that SMT off that data low is still a thing right now. We still have some good buying pressure at that same 6 a.m. price, bro. So it's like, bro, just give me my pump so I can call it a day, bro.
Yeah.
They just try to scare me out of my position, bro. I don't know, bro. Trading is stupid. It's like, just don't watch it. Literally, like, I say that all the time, but it's hard sometimes to walk away. But literally, just don't watch it, bro, because it'll scare you out of a really good trade for no reason. Because ES had no business breaking these highs if it was going to be bearish, knowing that it hadn't taken any low. You know what I mean? Like, come on, bro. All right, yeah. 751 calls. I normally don't take in the money, but the SPY is pretty cheap, so you're pretty good in the money here. And you're just looking for that I would say 10 a.m. price from yesterday, maybe. Yeah, 10 a.m. from yesterday, 753. Literally. I'm gonna set some alerts here, go make some food, and give myself a break from these candles, bro. I got my TPs in, I got my alerts in.
I'm walking away too, bro. Fuck it.
Who cares? Literally, bro. I want to see NASDAQ though close above 10 a.m. strongly here. That would give me a lot of confirmation, to be real. Like, no more rejection of 10 a.m., bro. We've been under 10 a.m. since 10 a.m. It's 11 a.m. So let's get this party started.
We should literally just walk away. Like, I don't even want to watch price, because it's gonna make you feel some type of way, you know?
Yeah, it always does. Finds a way to do that. I'm just looking, like I said, I'm looking for this closure here, bro, and then I'll be at peace here. 6 minutes left. It's not gonna close through it. Yeah.
Wow, come on, just close higher, bro.
It knows what it's doing, bro. It knows what it's doing. It waits for the candle to close before it breaks the 10 a.m. And then the very next candle, it just pretends to be bullish. Like, no, bro. We already know you're going to wick this area and come right back down.
Bro.
YM should be leading the way. Nope. YM still pushing lower.
This is like kind of a little spooky.
Yeah, it's trash. How I look at it though, price has no business being up here if it's bearish. That's how I'm looking at it. Like, bro, if this was a short, if this ends up shorting, this is the ugliest short in America. Ask Tanya.
Oh yeah, she got
blasted twice trying to short this, bro. So you feel what I'm saying? Like, this is just an ugly short. Let's see if Lumi has a position on, and then I'm out of here, man. Nope, Lumi's off the charts. Everybody off the charts except for Ben.
Oh, he's off too, bro.
He's off too?
Yeah, he just got off.
Yeah, bro. All right, well, if that's the case, then wish us luck, because I'm about to walk away, bro. Walk away. I'm telling you, bro, you can't make this up, bro. Russell dying. Actually, you know what, bro? Is this worth a headache?
Yeah, bro. Look at this, bro. The Russell's not going nowhere. The Dow is just lingering down. Yeah, bro. I don't know, bro. I feel like cutting this trade, to be honest with you. If this gap flips, I think I'm thinking about cutting it. Gotta watch this gap right here.
Yeah. It's just not. It's not bullish or bearish. It's like Choppish. Pure choppish. It's not giving you anything to work with here. See what I mean? You see how NASDAQ, like, you see how it made sure it didn't close past 10 a.m. on this candle. The very next candle opens higher as if it's just so bullish. And then now here we are right back underneath it, right? It's just
No.
The algorithm knows how to waste your time, bro.
If I see any closure below 10 on ES, I'm closing this trade, bro. I'm not gonna
Yep.
deal with this headache.
Yep. And that's the best
Can't.
way to go about it, because anything else is just a waste of time.
Yeah.
Even if it is bullish, it's not worth the headache, you know? So
Yeah.
yeah, I get it. Even if this does try to be bullish, it's giving you a little bit too much bearish antics. Like, look at the Russell respecting the same gap over and over. Like, why are you even tapping it if you're so bullish? And just get out of there. Yeah, this is ugly, bro. Can't make this up, man. Like I said, if this ends up being bullish, this is the ugliest buy. If it ends up being bearish, it's the ugliest short. So you definitely might want to be a little bit overprotective with your position here. Yeah, get out of my face.
Get
out of my face, man.
Wait, just wait.
Why are you even back down here? Like,
yeah.
What's
the
point?
If I see any closure below this, I'm getting out.
You would think CPI would.
Oh, what the fuck?
Bro, if this wicks, I'm out. I promise you. Because why are you doing this? This is the second time we've seen this pop. Check the news. Hold on. Check the news, bro. Check the news.
Whoa. Come on.
Whoa. Just keep going. What are you waiting for?
Keep going, sucker. Keep going. Don't slow down now.
Here we go, bro. I'm almost tired of this. Look at this, bro. Stop jerking us, man.
I'm about to go break even, bro. I don't like this.
Bro, this is what you call just a scam, bro. Just go. Like, what's up with this little 20-point pop? Give us that 900-point move.
Yeah, bro. Like, come on.
Let's blast some highs, man. What are you waiting for? Yeah, bro.
I just want this thing to blast off already,
bro,
man.
Just like nuke these highs. Like, what more do you have to do here, bro? We've seen that you're not bearish twice. We've seen 2 crazy spikes already.
Yeah, dude. It's like I'm kind of just I don't want to see another like swing high wick.
Yeah, none of that, bro. Just go ahead about your day. You're bullish. We get it. We get it. Go ahead.
Are you going break even on that swing high? 34 swing high?
Oh yeah. Well, you said 34. 1034.
1034.
I'm targeting that data high, bro. Maybe reduce risk at that 1034, but it's like I said, bro. It just shows you that it doesn't want lower. So if you're looking for any high that's previous to that 10 a.m. high, and that's the high.
Yeah.
830 high is the only high to target, to be real. Maybe weekly open could be a problem. Yeah. They could probably try to slow up there, but just bless us with one of those candles that's like, oh.
Yeah. Like a holy shit candle, you know.
One of those 25 points on ES. Because right now, how many points we're floating? Floating about 14. Yeah, give us another 25-point pop. What do you guys think, chat? Are you guys holding? I see shorts, boys. I would not buy at the moment. Hopefully you weren't in the short with that pop, because these pops are dirty right now. These pops are, how many points was this candle, bro? This is a 17-point pop on ES.
Oh yeah, bro. I would not be in
Nice.
those. I would chill in the shorts.
Yeah, he said holding buys, but the PA is trash. Yeah, it's a circus, man.
It's buns.
Bro. It's like you gotta beg price to do what it's supposed to do. Like, bro, do what you came here to do, which is sweep the low and then reverse to the high. You know, it's also crazy. NASDAQ is taking that 1034 high already.
Are you telling me we bought the wrong asset?
Nah. We're still closer to that 830. Oh, actually, no, I take that back. NASDAQ might
No.
be. Yeah, NASDAQ is pushing right now.
NASDAQ taking the lead. Wait a second.
Yeah, NASDAQ is
Hold on.
pushing. Maybe that's a sign that there's a lot of upside because NASDAQ should not be.
1055. Hold on. 1055.
Bro, those 751 calls are printing right now.
1055. Oh no, NASDAQ is a stronger pair, bro. I'm top.
There's
Oh
no
my
way
God,
for you to know
bro.
that though. Like, it's only stronger
Yeah.
after we got in, so it's just like whatever. Who cares? But ES is pushing. Good job.
Bro.
Yeah, those 751 calls are printing, kid. Let's go. Thank you, Lord. I needed that. 751 calls are printing. Futures on its way. Let's just get that pop.
Okay, so I think once ES takes this high data high, we should be chilling.
Yeah, it literally it like what else is there? I mean, there's a previous daily high right above that. Maybe price wants that too, but yeah, once it takes that high, I'm out of this trade, bro.
Yeah. We have previous weekly open on NQ. We have weekly open on ES. Previous day high.
Russell,
615.
what's the Russell doing? Look at it, bro. See, it keeps respecting this weak candle range here. We respected it once, respected it twice, bro. Yeah, it should rip, bro. This should rip, man.
Yeah, if Russell turns here and starts ripping higher, we're literally gonna print so much because
Russell's far behind. Yeah, it has a lot more upside as well. It's
Yeah.
finally above 10 a.m. Let's go. Come on. Just
yeah,
rip.
it's
Just
above
rip
10.
for us. This is a beautiful read. Like I said, going into this trade, there's nothing telling you to short this. The only short was in the beginning, but then when we took this data low, look at how price responded. It was like, oh, I don't want to be down there anymore. Sorry, shorts. I'm done shorting.
Yeah, I don't even know why I decided to take that. I was just like kind of
No, it was. I get it. I get it because of nothing else was showing any signs of bullishness. ES was the first one.
Yeah.
And that's why you had to deal with that drawdown if you bought ES early because nothing else was bullish yet. But now everything's above 10 a.m. So now it's like if you're in a buy, you just gotta hold it, bro. Like
It's go
everything's
time.
above. Russell's above 10 a.m. NASDAQ's above 10 a.m. ES above 10 a.m. and then YM is slightly above it. It's right at 10 a.m. You know, you might deal with some heat here for whatever reason.
This internal high is gonna get swept. Like this
Right,
wick right here is gonna get swept.
That's the
I
catch,
don't
right?
even care. Yeah.
1034, right? Yeah, that 1030
Yeah.
wick. Yeah. It's just you hope that price doesn't try to scam you with a lot of pressure here, a lot of selling pressure, bro. Just stop it. We know you're not bearish, bro. Just go higher.
I know.
Welcome to the charts, man. Where even the most obvious buy trade will try and stop you out.
Is 100 better than 200?
He said it's 100 better than 200.
So you'll take my 200.
That guy's hella funny. You know that what's the boxer? That guy who's like doing live streaming now. AB.
Oh yeah, Adrian Bronner. What you got? Let me see. You want to eat crackers?
Dad, I want to go on the number 7.
Hey, so let's talk about Alpha Futures while this trade plays out. What the hell happened, bro? They rug pulled everyone.
Bro, I think it was only for one program, was it? Or was it for the whole company? Like, I thought it was like a premium plan from what I read, but I didn't
No,
look much
it
into
was it was a specific plan that from what I heard, like 80% of their customers were using. There was like a
okay.
Yeah, so that's why it's basically like a whole company rug pull.
Yeah, okay.
You know?
Hey man, they won't be the last one.
Yeah.
They just I don't know, man. They try to make it seem like people can't trade, but to be honest, your rules make people feel like they can't trade. But if you give them a favorable rule setting, that's what you get. People start getting paid out.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what happens, and that's when they rug pull. They say, "Fuck." They're like 25 million in outstanding payouts. Like they just said, "Fuck that."
That's
in 1 month.
crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's tough too, because you know you want everybody to get their payouts and all that, but it's like, man, how do you avoid something like that? I don't even know. I don't know the half of running a prop firm. I'm waiting for this Russell to show some life above this weekly open, bro, because it's stagnant right now.
Yeah, I really need to see.
It's still early, you know. Maybe we get a pump around 11:30 or something. I don't know, but we spent majority of the morning underneath 10 a.m. price for most of these charts, so we're just now breaking it. So
yeah,
there should be a ton of upside, man.
Not a ton of upside, just like previous day high.
Enough to hit TP, my bad. Just enough to hit TP.
Yeah.
Man.
Let's draw out some deviation levels here. So
wait, did you trade with Alpha or no?
No, I never traded with them.
Facts, yeah.
Oh yeah, so like the next draw, yeah, it's basically weekly open on yes. The weekly open on NQ is gonna be the next draw. And then we have buy side on NQ up at, but is he gonna take it today?
You know, something's not right, bro. Because Russell was stronger going into this session too, bro. If you look at that 4-hour close from 6 a.m.
Yeah.
The Russell took the previous day high already. And then now it's struggling to get above this week, bro. This is so.
And look at NQ, bro. NQ is look at that thing, bro.
Hold on, let me take a look.
Why do I always end up buying the wrong asset, bro? I'm just tired. Like I'm
bro, you just gotta take what it gives you and buy the stronger one based on that. This right here, you would never see this coming because Nasdaq's the one that took the data low. ES didn't. So it's like, what else can you? Usually in this situation, though, I've seen it before. ES ends up catching up. Usually ES ends up catching up. Because it's technically on the higher time frame, it's stronger. On the lower time frame, it's stronger. For whatever reason, Nasdaq is leading the way right now, but ES ends up catching up.
They're going in 2 different directions.
Yeah, I think we're about to see just a sweep and a rip here. Is there a gap down below? 2-minute gap being filled. 5-minute gap probably going to be filled. Yeah, it makes no sense. Only thing that's scaring me, though, I'm not gonna lie, is Russell, bro. Why is Russell just struggling to break this weekly open?
Yeah.
So any sharp decline here, I might get out and just run away. Call it a day.
Yeah, I'm not trying to lose money, bro. I mean, I'm already down.
Exactly. Not trying to lose on this trade for sure.
Yeah, bro.
It's just weird how these markets function, bro. This could be the most. We could come back an hour from now and we'd be like, bro, why did we get out? And it's just like, bro, like, well, why were you doing all this pulling back for no reason, bro? Just rip. We're still decent though. We still got a decent amount of room here. Like you said, Nasdaq's not even pulling back at all right now.
Yeah, bro. And this actually.
Welcome to
So
the charts.
frustrating, man. This shit, dude.
It's trash, bro. I've accepted it. Trading is not. It's barely fun. It's more trash than it is fun.
Yeah. Why is ES pulling back, bro? You've been stronger the whole day, and now you want to pull back when I'm. No, it's like actually pissing me off, bro.
I get
it's just so annoying, bro.
Try to survive this heat, man. Don't stop us out at break even.
I haven't gone break even. I keep.
I ain't gonna lie. If it started getting around break even, I'll probably just close it. I don't care enough, bro. Like, you want to do all of that? You got it. You got it, bro.
Look at this. Look at this.
That's a lot of heat.
NQ is pumping.
Maybe that's our sign to just hold it. Just hold. I don't know, bro. Doesn't make any sense to me, I'll tell you that much. And here goes a lot of heat for no reason, man. Oh no, I think it's over. Yeah, I think it's over.
I think it's because now it's making me think that it's gonna sweep this low, SMT go higher. Like, I'm not trying to be part of this, bro. Come on, bro.
Yeah, get me out of this. Yeah, something's not right.
I'm gonna wait.
Either we are about to skyrocket after this pullback, or this is about to dump with the weirdest SMT you could ask for. Sucks not knowing, because we didn't take any buy side besides that 1030 high on NASDAQ. 1030 high got swept on NASDAQ. That's about it. Man, it sucks, bro. I hate dealing with all this heat.
Yeah. Come on, bro.
More heat in the kitchen. Cook them up. Cook up the buyers. Make them feel as uncomfortable as possible. Is that the game plan here? Clearly has to be, because we just edged that high so dirty.
That's so dirty, bro. Literally so dirty.
Especially after that beautiful pop. Like, it was so close, bro. Now, why don't you get a random bullish skyrocket candle again for the third time?
I'm holding this trade. We haven't broken this what is it called? 1045 order block. So that's why I'm still chilling. Like, I don't see a reason to get out just yet. If we break it, I'm out. Fuck it. I don't give a shit.
Facts. I just wish I didn't feel the need to do all this, bro. Like, who are you trying to fool? Just go to the highs, bro. NASDAQ is not showing any weakness.
Yeah.
That's so strange, bro. So strange. Because now when NASDAQ takes this high, it's going to pull back again. Watch.
Yeah. And like, you want to get emotional, but you can't, because you know you followed your rules and you fought the stronger asset.
Right.
Indices just want to be a whore, I guess, you know?
Yeah, they want to throw you under the bus so bad.
Yeah. So now, guys, what we're going to do is now we're back in no closure. No closure below. Boom.
Can we just break out on the Russell, bro? I feel like that's the only thing holding us back, bro. NASDAQ looks good. ES looks good. Russell underneath the 10 a.m. price still. I'm like, get out of here, bro. And it's not going anywhere. Nasdaq takes the high, immediate selling pressure. Yeah, bro. Oh, what is that? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see it. Bring it here. Come here. I said, come here.
Bro, look at. I'm about to have like I'm about to spaz out, bro. The one time I want to buy ES, it does this to me, bro. Look at NQ, guys. If at the same area I got in, I would be up.
Oh yeah, let's see. What time did we buy?
Bro.
We bought it at.
I'll be floating 100 handles right now, guys. I wouldn't even be giving a shit.
What time was the buy? It was at like, yeah, right after
Bro.
10:30 or something. Yes, yeah, somewhere here.
This is crazy.
10:42. Yeah, you're right. Nasdaq's up 130 plus handles.
While you're sitting here at break even on ES, bro.
Oh man. If this ends up skyrocketing and they both take the high, all right, who cares, right? But if there's some funny business at this high and Nasdaq causes everything to crash off of it before ES could take it, I'll be furious.
I'm going break even immediately if once that ES takes that high. Oh, NQ takes that high. All right.
Hopefully there's a super candle that takes both of them out at the same time.
Yeah. Ooh, let me set my TP actually, just in case that happens. How much do I want to secure? Let's see. I lost a little bit of money on that first trade, so I gotta.
What time was that? 8:30.
525 minus. Yeah, I'll take that. Fuck it, that's good enough.
$10 a.m. high. Bro, options is so weird. Look at how 10:30 high, 9:30 high. Okay, yeah, all right. This boy just repeating everything I say. He talking about options are so weird. Boy.
That's actually adorable.
He said adorable. Good thing I don't curse, so.
I hope ES just becomes a stronger pair now, just switches gears, and then just NQ does stagnates, and then ES just starts skyrocketing, right?
I just don't want to see no more pullbacks, bro. We see where you're going, bro. Just get there, bro. Without all of this drama, man. We see where you're going, all right? Just take it out. I'm done watching this. Now that I say think about it, bro, like, I don't really want to watch this, bro.
Yeah, but I need that swing high to get taken, bro.
If it goes bearish, like, who would have saw that coming? That's what I'm thinking. Like, there's no way in your right mind you can argue that this is bearish right now. So if it goes bearish, then it's like, all right, I guess you just got me because this is the ugliest short in America if it is a short.
This is the ugliest buy in America, dude. What the hell is this?
That's the scary part. I'm like, is it gonna scam us at this high with Nasdaq taking it first?
Yeah.
That's
because
the scary part.
This is building LR to run now. So that's a huge red flag, bro.
Man, Russell just keeps doing the same thing over and over and over. We've closed underneath here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 consecutive 5-minute candles. Make that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, make that 6 or 7 candles in a row.
Doesn't matter if it looks pretty. I'll go with work. So this returns.
Where I grew up.
Afghanistan.
Yeah, see, this is the type of stuff where that news candle comes in, bro. Where Trump just randomly says something, it's like, oh, that's what you were waiting for. And that's where it's kind of scary, bro. Because we've seen this a couple times this week where you're in a buy
Yeah, bro, that's so true.
and then it just nukes it.
Dude, now you're scaring me, bro.
Bro,
Like,
I'm
maybe
scared.
I should go break even. I ain't trying to lose my whole fucking account over one new candle.
It's sad,
imagine.
bro, because that slippage should be illegal. You should be able to combat slippage. Like, bro,
Yeah.
you can see where my stop was, guys. Stop scamming and stealing money. Slippage is a crime. Oh my goodness. Imagine you
Bro,
have like
okay.
2K in a live account. and
Yeah,
that
you put a
happens.
$500 stop and you get slipped $1,500 into the account. That's crazy.
That is a scam, bro. You should be able
Think
to
about
sue
it.
them.
Yeah, I'm thinking about just going break even, bro. You gotta spook me, man.
Well, if it's a news candle, that break even ain't gonna save you. So it's just you might as well get out.
Yeah.
You might as well close it. Oh man, yeah. Nobody else is. Oh, Ben's still live, but he ain't trading. Ain't nobody else trading right now, man. We're the only ones left, man. So if we get slipped, we gonna be the only ones.
Hey, man, we ride and die together, man.
Man, these 751 calls are printing, but that's not enough. We want to see the highs. We want to see the highs.
Oh, let me go ahead and call Wall Street real quick. See what's going on.
Yeah, we need some phone calls to be made for sure. I'm not gonna lie to you though, bro. This next candle has to hit this high within the next 30 minutes, or I'm just gonna call it a day. I don't care.
Okay. Sounds good.
11:30 candle about to open here, guys. Good patience, especially we're dealing with a very interesting session. We are dealing with a very interesting session. Nasdaq takes the lead here. Super close to this high, but we're about to open a new 30-minute candle, so we could get a pullback here. So just be ready for that.
I'm gonna put an alert on that high.
It's so close to it, bro. It's like 10 points away. You would love to see this new 30-minute candle open higher, take out those highs, TPS out, and then dump. Because you can tell it wants to dump. It wants to dump. It's like the buys aren't strong enough to get where they need to go. It's taking forever. But if this 11:30 candle opens lower, pulls back, retests, all that stupid stuff, then it's probably going to stair step higher. Look at the Russell.
Oh, my
bro.
TP's at 7613. Where's yours at?
My TP is 614. Oh, actually, no, I'm lying. My TP is at 616, but alerts are set to that 613.
616613. Okay.
Yeah, just in case it pushes past it, but I'm definitely closing it out at that high if there's any spooky activity. 5-minute gap, 15-minute gap. Bro, I don't know, bro. I don't think I really care for this trade enough.
I'm very close to just going break even and just saying fuck it. I don't want to trade. I don't want to
sit through it.
Yeah, it's just giving me it's making me want to pull my hair out.
If lame was a trade, this would be it.
Okay, guys, what I'm gonna do is
Did we sweep anything, bro? Any hourly highs
Yo,
get
stop.
swept? Let's
No.
see. 10 a.m. high, bro.
Bro, I'm just gonna go break even and probably just not even care. Like at this point, that should be the right thing to do.
That's so stupid, man. Where's that EMA at? EMA, do something, bro. We've been sitting here just going sideways. Use the EMA to skyrocket. Do something, bro. Find something. Find any reason to blast off here. And it just won't do it. This SMT is lame though, because NASDAQ just took out multiple highs here on the 30-minute.
Fuck it, I'm going break even, bro. I'm not dealing with this shit. I can't do this anymore,
Yeah.
bro.
I don't blame you, bro. It's just not.
Like,
It's not playing fair, bro. Giving you
What's the mess?
all of this tension for no reason.
Yeah. What's messing with my psychology is that I bought the wrong asset. I'm like, dude, how? I followed everything.
Yeah, like how? Yeah.
Why?
Yep. There's nothing I could have done here to give me an edge other than maybe guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, get out of this, bro. I'm gonna break even on my options for sure. Because these 0 DTE trades are no joke.
I'm about to get stopped at break even, guys. We're almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Uh-oh.
Bro, what is wrong with this, bro? Like, where's my trade at? It just vanished. Oh, there it is. I'm tripping. What did I put my stop at? I put my stop down at... Yeah, I put my stop at somewhere around break even, 150 bucks. Underneath 10 a.m.
2 trades. Break even. Break even.
Yeah, this is dead, bro. It's like it keeps doing the same things over and over and over.
Oh no, wait. Let me...
Yeah. Yeah, bro. I'm cool with nothing on this trade.
Yep, and we get stopped. And we got stopped. All right. We are stopped out of this trade, bro. I'm done for the day. I'm not... I'm just... My psychology's not there, bro.
Yep.
We would... If I would have bought NQ, I would have TP'd by now.
Yep. Get off these charts, man. Good read on price. But price is obviously a joke. So I'm gonna leave my stop here at 150 bucks just because I don't care. Let me screenshot this, drop it in the chat, and I'm out of here too, bro. It's 11:30, perfect time for some breakfast. Yes, sir. Get me out of here, man. Clean up some of these drawings. Oh, actually, yeah. Yeah, I'm stopped on my options play. Took a little bit of profit, but tiny, literally like $10. And like I say, yeah, screenshot this. It's just not worth the headache. It's a clear bias, right? If price were actually trending towards the targets a lot cleaner, then it'll be easier to hold. But I don't think this is worth the headache. It's playing way too many games, bro. Like, come on, man.
I shorted NQ. Boom. I went short. Where did I go short? I went short here. What time did I short it?
And that Russell's pretty much giving it away. It refuses to break that weekly open.
1050. Damn, this is such a horrible trade idea. I don't know why the hell I took this.
Yeah, it's trash. I mean,
This is
I
trash.
know why I took it. It's just I don't know why it's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
But hey, man, who cares? Who cares? We are here for the good trades and the good trades only. This trade right here, like I said, I'm gonna drop it in the Discord now. It's still going. I don't know how, but I don't really care for it, bro.
Yeah, me either.
Boom, 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 boom.
All right, bro. I'm out of here, bro. I can't do this. This is some bullshit.
Yeah, man. Take it easy. As always, good trades only. The other trades we happily walk away from. Let me go on the Discord. I seen the short this time. Don't jump in at open. Facts.
All right, bro. I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, yes, sir, bro. Take care, man.
Good trading. Good trading. All right.
All right, cool. I'm out there. Not able to hold this. Hoping for a rally, but nah. It's lame because like it's hard to drop a short. So you want to give the buys a chance, but how much room does it need to work here? That's the sad part. Pushing right back to 9:30 open. Where's YM? Oh yeah, this thing is dumping now at this point. Look how it just completely flips the table here. And I'm wondering what, like I said, like what was the draw here on the NASDAQ and ES? If this isn't bullish, why would it push way up to these extremes without taking these highs? I don't know. I think it's gonna end up finding its way higher later, but right now it's just pure chop. So good job managing risk today. You don't really care to put too much money on this type of price action, right? So I will happily walk away with a small loss here. Let me clean up this chart, get a screenshot for my notes, and I am out of here, guys. Boom, boom, boom. It's hard for me to believe that this is actually wasting so much time. Like if this is bearish, it just wasted the entire from 8:30 all the way till now, which is basically 12. It just wasted all that time. And then if it's bullish, it wasted a good amount of time sweeping here. But now you're seeing a drastic waste of time here with this move backwards after giving you those two crazy spikes that almost blasted off. Price almost blasted off and then just turns here. Yeah, screenshot, download, and I am out of here as well. Not a bad session if you ask me on our part. I just think the markets were trash today. We're retesting 9:30 for whatever reason, showing more life. I wouldn't be surprised if this is the last pullback you see. Like, I don't get what's going on with it, but hey. It is what it is. Look at the 9:30 prices here giving you a nice pivot, right? Same area of interest on the Russell holding up these repetitive lows down here. I don't know, man. I think this may just be one of those high resistant bullish days or guaranteed chop days. We'll find out in a couple hours, but I'm out of here, guys. I will catch you guys tomorrow. You guys enjoy the rest of your evening, right? And we will be back at it bright and early tomorrow. You guys take care. God bless.